Happy Eid el-Fitr. Hello everyone, it's Al here, evidently Abdul, and on behalf of my members at Happy Conversations with Al, we are indeed fascinated to share and also wish you a wonderful celebration of the feast of Eid al-Fitr on for all those that have observed the fasting of the month of Ramadan. It has indeed been an honor, and we do hope that the Almighty Lord does indeed bless us and those who in most cases have observed this fasting, and those who for certain reasons have not been able to come up to observe this fasting to be indeed paid in a way befitting, and for the Lord to indeed forgive us where we have gone wrong in this 30-month period, and to keep as we have been keeping in this month for the time coming. So we do indeed hope the best and wonderful celebrations of peace, humility, and love to one another. Have a wonderful celebratory peace.